You brought air, Royce bedoys? Guys, can you share some of your food with me? I know, if each of you shares just a little bit, it will help with my hunger. Again, Royce bedoys, this is the third time you forgot to bring your lunch on Tuesday. Yeah, we can't just, please. This will be the last time I forget. Fine.